In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving kinetic theory of matter in your JAMB Physics. So guys, we have 13 questions to practice with in this video. So let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the processes above can be explained using the kinetic theory? So we have the following processes. We have change of state, we have diffusion, we have radiation, we have osmosis. So the correct option to this question will be option A, I, and IV. Radiation is not a process that can be explained using the kinetic theory. So the correct option is this A that involves change of state, diffusion, and osmosis. Alright, so that's it for this question. Let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says, one valid assumption of the kinetic theory of gases is the, well, option A, the number of molecules of gas increases with increasing pressure. B, the molecules of a gas are constantly in a state of motion and the number of collisions remains constant. C, the molecules of gas are all identical and are very small in size. Option D, as the temperature increases, the number of collisions made by the gas molecules remains constant. Okay, so in this question we are looking for a valid assumption to the question. So guys, the correct option to this question will be option C. This is a valid assumption. The molecules of gas are all identical and are very small in size. So that will be the correct option to this question. Let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says, which of the following statements about matter is not correct? We have energy is required to break the intermolecular forces of attraction between molecules. Molecules of solids move more freely than molecules of liquids and gases. Molecules of liquids move about within a liquid and they are in constant random motion. Molecules of solids are more closely packed than those of the liquids. We are looking for the one that is not correct. The correct option here is option B, which is molecules of solids move more freely than molecules of liquids and gas. Alright, so this is not a correct statement. So that's the right option. Let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says solids have one of the following. The correct option to this question will be option A. Solids have phase shape, phase volume, high density, and are incompressible. Cannot compress solids. So other options here are not correct. Okay, so basically it's option A. Phase shape, phase volume, high density, and are incompressible. So that's it for this question. Let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says, which of the processes above can be explained using the kinetic theory? I think we have answered this question before. The correct option to this question here will be option D, which is I, and IV. Radiation is not a process that can be explained using the kinetic theory. Let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says, which of the statements above is correct? So diffusion occurs in basically in all of these states of matter. Diffusion occurs in them, both gases, liquids, and solids. The correct option is what? Option C. Let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says, which of the following statements is an exception in the assumptions of the kinetic theory of gases? We have option A, the particles are in constant random motion. The particles are of negligible mass. The particles are of negligible size. The particles collide with each other. So we are asked which of the following statement is an exception. Okay, so the exception here, guys, is option B. The particles are of negligible mass. Alright, so this is an exception. Let's go to the next question, which is this one. It says, in which of the following media would the average speed of the molecule of water be highest? The correct option is option A, steam. Alright, so guys, before we go to the next question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel now for more of our videos. We really appreciate this. Let's go to the next question, which is this one. It says, according to the kinetic molecular model in gases. We have option A. The particles vibrate about fixed positions and are held together by the strong intermolecular bonds between them. The molecules are very fast apart and occupy all the space made available. The particles occur in clusters with molecules slightly further apart. The particles are closely packed together. They occupy minimum space and are usually arranged in a regular pattern. So basically, in this question, we are looking for, according to the kinetic molecular model in gases, the molecules are very fast apart and occupy all the space made available. So guys, this will be the correct option to this question. According to kinetic molecular model in gases, the molecules are very fast apart and occupy all the space made available. That's it for this question. Let's go to the next repeated question. So this one says, which of the following is not a postulate of kinetic molecular theory of gases? We have the collision of the gas molecules are perfectly elastic. The collision of the gas molecules are perfectly elastic. The volume of the gas molecules is negligible. The average kinetic energy of the gas molecules varies with temperature. So the correct option is option A. The collision of the gas molecules are perfectly inelastic. This is not a postulate. So let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says, which of the following statements about matter is not correct? Molecules of solids are more closely packed. I think we have answered this question before, but let's still continue. Molecules of solids are more closely packed than those of liquids. Molecules of liquids move about within the liquid and they are in a constant random motion. Molecules of solids move more freely than molecules of liquid and gases. So the correct option to this question is option C. This one is not correct. Molecules of solids move more freely than molecules of liquids and gases. So that's the correct option. Let's go to the next one. It says the process whereby the molecules of different substances move randomly is called diffusion, option D. The last question before we call it a class, which of the above affect diffusion? So basically, the correct option in this question will be options A, II, and IV, which include density, temperature, and nature of substance. Mass cannot affect diffusion. So guys, that's it for this video. This is basically how you can do problems involving kinetic theory of matter in your JAMB Physics. We answer 30 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to our channel once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel and what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by hitting on the join button. In our channel membership, we share special information to those part of the community that helps them to simplify their academic work. So join us and you'll be glad you did. Now click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.